शहर हैदराबाद में जजेस के लिए तरबियती कैंप का इनेकाद। द इंटरनेशनल सेंटर फॉर अल्टरनेटिव डिस्प्यूट रिसोल्यूशन के ज़ेर एहतमाम ये प्रोग्राम मुनक्किद किया गया। अदालतों में ज़ेर इल्तिवा मुकदमात की जल्द यकसवी के लिए जजेस और एडवोकेट्स के लिए तरबियती कैंप मुनक्किद हुआ। INDtoday.com के नुमाइंदे से बातचीत करते हुए इंचार्ज एंड सेक्रेटरी JLN मूर्ति ने बताया,
Mumbai, which has happened in the premises of ICDR Regional Center Hyderabad, is successfully participated by the district judges of Rangareddy and also around 55 advocates and mediators together have joined this particular function, and the program went on from morning to evening, and there is an active participation from judicial officers and also from the mediators and advocates to sensitize more on mediation and its process of evolving new methods of ADR, alternate dispute resolution methods. And this particular institution has been guided and governed by the Chief Justice of India, who is the chairman of this institution, and this institution works under the instructions of Honorable Chief Justice of Andhra Pradesh and Telangana, Sri Ramesh Ranganathan Garu, and also he encourages the Telangana Legal Service Authority and AP Legal Services Authority to actively intake the participation and training professionalism what ICDR has, and also its objectives to promote the education on PG diploma courses and other research systems, and also it trains the arbitrators and mediators and provides the facilities for their adjudication or process in their premises at Gagan Vihar 10th floor, Nampalli.